Start with confusion. Make them feel stupid. Then make them feel smart. Imagine you have 10 bananas. You give them to your friend for safekeeping. Your friend gives 20 bananas to someone else, but you still have your 10. Wait, what? How does your friend give away bananas that he doesn't actually have? This sounds like magic. This sounds like cheating. But this is exactly how every bank in the world works, right now, today, with your money. And it all started on Monkey Island. After the Great Leaf Crisis, Monkey Island slowly recovered. Monkeys were trading again, bananas, coconuts, fish. But there was one massive problem. Carrying bananas everywhere was terrible. Monkey A wanted to buy fish from the other side of the island, but fish cost 47 bananas. How do you carry 47 bananas through a jungle? You can't. Monkeys needed something easier, something lighter, something everyone would trust. One monkey, let's call him Rico, had an idea. Rico lived in a cave, a big, safe, locked cave. He said to the other monkeys, "Give me your bananas. I'll keep them safe, and I'll give you a receipt." A receipt was just a leaf with a number on it. This leaf means you have 10 bananas in Rico's cave. Suddenly, instead of carrying 47 bananas across the island, Monkey A just gave Monkey B a leaf with 47 written on it. Done. Trade complete. Everyone was happy. Rico's receipts became the new currency. Leaves didn't matter anymore. Rico's receipts mattered. And Rico just sat in his cave doing nothing, while every monkey on the island depended on him. Months passed. Rico sat in his cave surrounded by thousands of bananas, all belonging to other monkeys. And one night, Rico had a thought. These monkeys never take all their bananas out at once. They take a few here, a few there, but never everything, never at the same time. He looked at the bananas, he looked at the door, and he smiled. The next morning, Rico started giving out loans. Monkey B needed 50 bananas to start a coconut business. Rico said, "I'll give you 50 bananas, but in 3 months, you pay me back 60. But here's the insane part. Rico didn't take those 50 bananas from the cave. He just wrote a new receipt. This leaf means you have 50 bananas in Rico's cave. But those 50 bananas, they didn't exist. Rico had invented bananas out of thin air. He had 100 real bananas in the cave, but he'd given up receipts for 250 bananas. This is called Fractional Reserve Banking. Keep a little, lend a lot, collect interest, repeat.
And for a while, it worked beautifully. Monkey B got his loan, started his coconut business, paid Rico back 60 bananas. Rico made 10 extra bananas doing nothing. Other monkeys borrowed too, built farms, built boats, built businesses. The island was booming. Everyone felt rich. Everyone felt confident. New businesses everywhere. And at the center of it all was Rico, getting richer every single day. The monkeys even gave him a title, Rico, the most important monkey on the island. But here's what nobody understood. The entire island was built on a lie. Then, one Tuesday morning, a rumor started. Rico doesn't actually have all the bananas. One monkey heard it, told 2 monkeys. Those 2 told 10. 10 told 100. By noon, every monkey on the island was running to Rico's cave. "Give me my bananas! I want mine! Me first!" Rico opened the cave. He had 100 real bananas, but he owed 250 bananas in receipts. He couldn't pay. Just like that, in one afternoon, the most trusted monkey on the island was bankrupt. Businesses collapsed. Loans disappeared. Monkeys lost everything. This is called a bank run, and it has happened in the real world more times than you can count. The Monkey King heard the chaos. He rushed to Rico's cave and announced, "Rico's cave is too important to fail. If Rico falls, all of Monkey Island falls. So we will save Rico using everyone's taxes." Wait, Rico made enormous profits when things were good. Rico paid himself huge bonuses. But when things went wrong, the ordinary monkeys paid for it. The fishermen, the farmers, the fruit pickers, they didn't make the mess, but they cleaned it up. And Rico? Rico said thank you and went back to his cave and started the same system again. This is called moral hazard, when you can take huge risks because someone else will pay if you fail. You'll take those risks every time.
Here's what school never tells you. When you put money in a bank, you are the lender. The bank is the borrower. That money isn't sitting in a vault with your name on it. The bank lent it to someone else the moment you deposited it. You are Rico's banana supply. Now, is banking evil? No. Loans built businesses. Loans built cities. Loans built the modern world. But blind trust? That's what destroys islands. The monkeys who survived to the crash, they weren't the ones with the most receipts. They were the ones who understood what the receipts actually meant. Remember our smart monkey, the one who planted trees? He was back, and when everyone was running to Rico's cave screaming, he was standing outside, calm, quiet, because his bananas weren't in Rico's cave. They were in his orchard. Real bananas, real trees, real ground. Nobody could print his trees. Nobody could lend his trees to strangers. Nobody could lose his trees in a bank run. He didn't just understand inflation. He understood the whole game. Every country on Earth runs Rico's system right now. Your bank has a fraction of what it owes you. This isn't a conspiracy theory. It's called Fractional Reserve Banking, and it's completely legal. The question is the same as last time. Are you the monkey handing your bananas to Rico, or the monkey who understands exactly how the cave works? Financial systems seem complicated, but they never are. They're always just the same banana story, told with bigger numbers. If the cave thing finally made sense, subscribe, because next time I'll show you what happens when the Monkey King's cave runs out of bananas. Spoiler, it already has, multiple times. Don't be the monkey who finds out too late. These channels will open your mind and try to uncover all those facts you may not be aware of. Stay connected with us.